Across the Netherlands, Lajna Imaila marked International Women's Day with a series of impactful programs held under this year's national theme, Not My Right, focusing on the rights, dignity and societal roles of women. Across various locations, the celebrations took the form of warm and welcoming gatherings, where members and guests came together in an atmosphere of hospitality and learning. As many of the events coincided with the blessed month of Ramadan, several programs were combined with iftar gatherings. This allowed guests not only to mark International Women's Day, but also to experience the spiritual atmosphere of Ramadan, gaining insight into its values of self-discipline, empathy, gratitude, and community unity. A central element across the programs was an educational presentation based on the theme, Not My Right. Discussions highlighted issues such as women's safety in public spaces, economic inequality, workplace discrimination, and barriers in healthcare, justice, and education. The presentation also emphasized the importance of distinguishing between religious principles and cultural interpretations, while encouraging self-reflection on when injustice is tolerated and when voices remain silent. Guests were introduced to the Ahmadiyya Muslim community and Lajna Imaila, while broader themes included the spiritual status of women in Islam, the contributions of women in early Islamic history, and contemporary perspectives on women's rights and justice. In a large collaborative program involving local organizations and social workers, a diverse group of participants came together for educational sessions, dialogue, and a shared iftar experience. Youth participation added a special dimension to the celebrations, with Nasirat members expressing appreciation for their teachers through small gifts reflecting values of gratitude, respect, and recognition of guidance from a young age. Humanitarian efforts were highlighted through documentaries on the women's wing of Humanity First, showcasing global service initiatives in education, healthcare, and disaster relief. Cultural and interactive elements further enriched the programs, including henna art, nail art, book displays, clothing stores, and try-a-hijab experiences, and informal hospitality spaces with refreshments. Outreach activities also played an important role. Members distributed hundreds of flyers in public spaces, engaging in meaningful conversations with public. A notable highlight included a program in Lelystad, attended by guests and community representatives, along with the local mayor. The mayor delivered an address expressing appreciation for the initiative and its message of unity and inclusion. And the program received highly positive feedback for its welcoming atmosphere and organization. The program successfully fostered understanding, strengthened community bonds, and shared a powerful message on the dignity, rights, and empowerment of women in Islam. MTA News, the Netherlands.